Summary of Blue Ocean Strategy, Expanded Edition by W. Chan Kim and Renee Mauborgne. Blue Ocean Strategy presents a groundbreaking approach to business strategy that encourages companies to move beyond competing within established markets, or red oceans, to create untapped, uncontested market space. The Blue Oceans. The expanded edition of this influential book includes updates that reflect its ongoing relevance in today's evolving business landscape, featuring new content on alignment, execution, and the sustainability of blue ocean strategies. Red oceans versus blue oceans. Kim and Mauborgne contrast red oceans, which represent crowded, highly competitive industries where companies battle for limited market share, with blue oceans, which represent new, uncontested spaces where competition becomes irrelevant. In red oceans, the focus is on outperforming rivals and grabbing a bigger share of existing demand. In blue oceans, however, the emphasis is on creating new demand by offering innovative value propositions that attract a broader audience. In the book, the authors highlight that successful companies in blue oceans don't follow conventional strategic models of either competing on cost or differentiation. Instead, they pursue both, breaking the value-cost trade-off to offer customers something better and cheaper simultaneously. At the heart of the Blue Ocean strategy is the concept of value innovation. This is the simultaneous pursuit of differentiation and low cost, which allows businesses to open up new market space and create new demand. Unlike traditional strategies that aim for incremental improvements within existing markets, value innovation drives companies to rethink their approach to value and price altogether. By innovating in value, companies can not only reduce costs by eliminating or reducing unnecessary features, but also increase customer benefits by focusing on what really matters to consumers. As a result, companies can unlock new markets and attract a diverse range of customers, including non-customers, those who typically don't buy within the industry. To help businesses identify potential blue oceans, the authors introduce two essential tools: the 4 Actions Framework and the Strategy Canvas. The 4 Actions Framework prompts businesses to systematically rethink their industry by asking 4 key questions. Which factors should be eliminated that the industry has long competed on? Implementation: creating and sustaining a blue ocean strategy. Kim and Mauborgne emphasize that blue ocean strategies are not just about innovation. They require effective execution and alignment across the organization. Every part of the business, from production to marketing, must be aligned with the pursuit of value innovation. The authors also discuss the importance of leadership in driving change and suggest practical steps for companies to ensure that blue ocean strategies are successfully implemented and sustained over time.